Hello students, welcome to online classes. I am Bhageshri, your social teacher. Today we are going to study about the topic facilities for our use, which we studied already in detail in our earlier classes. Today we are going to practice it again. Fill in the blanks. First one, the dash should be thrown in dustbin. The waste should be thrown in dustbin. Second, dash provides education to children. School provides education to children. Third, follow the dash rules to avoid accidents. Follow the traffic rules to avoid accidents. One should follow the traffic rules to avoid the accidents. Fourth, dash the toilet before and after use. One should flush the toilet before and after use. Fifth, dash light avoid falling in dark and avoid accidents in night. Street light avoid falling in dark and avoid accidents in night. Next, match the following. Yes, you already know these all the pictures you saw in real life, so it's not at all hard. Yes, it is not at all difficult to recognize. So tell me, what is the first one? First picture. It is a water tank. Yes, the second picture, if you see it clearly, on that only it wrote it is a school. The third picture, no doubt it is a library. Next, what it is? It's a hospital and it is a bus station. Next, which one is post office? This one is post office. And this is a park. Next, there are 5 pictures are there total. See it carefully. What is the first one? First one is a railway station, and the second one is it's a street light. This one is the third one is the toilet, and the fourth one is obvious, it's a market, and the fifth one is a roads. Yes, students, if you see these all pictures, yes, these all the places we saw in our daily life, so it will not be difficult. Yes, it is not difficult to recognize. Next, answer the following questions. First, write the names of public places. Yes, what are the names of public places? Is nothing but the places which we saw. Okay. Answer, public places are first library, second bus station, third hospital, fourth park, fifth school. Students, see, you will be coming to school, which is a public place, because everyone we see, not only you alone come to school. No, yes, with you there are your friends. Yes, and other classes students, there are many students who come to, there are many children who come to school. So school is a public place. Okay, in your school there is a library? Yes, so library can be accessed by anybody. So similar way, there are libraries in the cities, yes, which is called the public libraries. So one can get any book, yes, of free of cost or in less money. Yes, they will be charging the very less money. If one is unable to return the book, then they will be charging the money for a week, like that it will be less charge. So bus station, yes, you saw the bus station and you saw the hospitals, and there is a beautiful park in front of your school, and also you might have went to the picnic to the parks, yes, with your friends or with your parents. So what are the 5 public places? Library, bus station, hospital, park, school. Second, define public facilities. What do you mean by facility? Public facilities, yes. So answer, the facilities which are needed to be provided everyone, yes. What is the facilities which are need to be provided everyone, yes, which is provided to everyone. It is not to a single person, which is the facility which is there for everyone, yes. See, for example, if the hospital is there, then it will be for everybody, not a single person, not to the single person, to the everybody. So it is a public place. So the facility which are need to be provided to everyone, such facilities are called public facilities. Third, what are the rules should be followed in library? Yes, there will be different rules are there in library, one should follow. So what are the rules? Answer, rules to be followed in library are: first, do not talk loudly. Why? Because there are different, yes, there are other persons who are reading, so it should not, yes, one should not be talk loudly. So maintain the silence in library. Yes, in your library also they will be telling, yes, do not talk loudly. Yes, you should not disturb others. Second, do not tear or dirty the books, because see, if you read that book, yes, if one of your friend took the book and you would already it is dirty, then or torn one, will you be able to read it? No. So it's one's responsibility to not tear or dirty the books. Third, book should be kept in place after use. Yes, the book from where you took after reading, please keep it in that place, so that the other person also will come to know, yes, that this book is available there only. So from which place you took, please keep it there only. Fourth, do not take the library book without informing librarian. Yes, you should not take the book without informing the person who is there in the library. Yes, you should get the book issued. Yes, when you will get the book issued, then the person will be knowing that this person took the book, and you should return it after you read the book. So other than these, there are different rules are there. If you know, then please write in your notebook. Yes, definitely there are other rules are there, just write in your notebook. Fourth, write how can we cooperate to keep bus station clean. Yes, how we can cooperate to keep the bus station clean. Answer, keep the bus station clean. Yes, we should keep the bus station clean. Second, right, how can we cooperate to keep bus station? So first, keep the bus station clean. Second, throw waste in dustbin. Yes, we should throw the waste always in dustbins. Third, do not spit. Yes, one should not spit here and there, because it is a public property. Yes, it's our responsibility to keep it clean. Fourth, save water. Close the tap after use. Yes, after the usage of water, we should close the tap. And fifth one, yes, there will be a vendors. Yes, vendors who are selling the food items, which you saw. Definitely you saw the bus stations. There the persons will be selling the food items. Yes, so when you will be going out with your parents, yes, you will ask your parents to buy for you those food items. So what you can do, you ask those vendors to close, yes, to cover the food items, yes, food items with the lid, yes, so that there should not be any mosquitoes or any insect should be sat on that. So If the insects or any mosquito sat on that, then the disease we will get the diseases. So ask the vendors to cover the food items with the lid, which is the fifth point. So how you will be writing? Write fifth. Ask vendors to cover food items with lid. Fifth question, write how cleanliness can be maintained at hospitals. Yes, in hospitals, how the cleanliness should be maintained. The answer, keep the hospital clean. Second, do not spit. Third, throw waste in dustbins. Students, not only home, not only in school, everywhere. Yes, whenever you will go, you should throw the waste always in dustbin. Fourth, wait for your turn to see doctors. Yes, see, everyone came in hospital to get checkup. Yes, to get checkup and to show the doctor. Yes, it's our responsibility to wait for our turn. Yes, when we will be in queue, then everyone will be getting the chance and there will not be mess up. So wait for your turn to see doctor. Fifth, do not litter in the hospital premises. Nothing but do not throw any tins or wrappers, like you will be eating something, so do not throw the wrapper packet here and there. Instead of that, you should keep in the dustbin. So do not litter in the hospital premises. Sixth, write the names and need of a public facilities. Yes, students, public places are the places where we will be going. Yes, so facilities is nothing but the facility which everyone will be getting. Answer, the public facilities for our use are, first one, water tank. Yes, there will be a water tank which you saw earlier. Yes, you saw. Yes, there are many water tanks in Gulbarga. Yes, when you will be going for somewhere else, you saw the water tank. What it meant for? Supply of pure drinking water. Yes, it will supply the pure drinking water. Second, school. Yes, you will be coming to school. What the school will give? It provides the education to children. Yes, it provides the education to children. Yes, students, if the question is asked, why the school is called public facility? Yes, public facility. Why then school is called public facility? Because it provides the education to children. Yes, without discriminating that this, it will provide the education to each child. So it is a public facility. Third, library provides information and services to the people. Yes, it provides the information and services to people, and you will be getting, you can get the books from the library and you can read the newspapers, magazines, etc. Fourth, hospital provides the treatment to patient. What it will provide? It will provide the treatment to patients. Fifth, bus station. People travel in bus from one place to another. Yes, you travel in buses. Yes, for what? From one place to another. Next, sixth, post office sending letters, money to others. Yes, for what the post office will be there? Sending letters, money, etc. to others. Seventh, park. Children play the games and people do walking. Yes, the people will be doing the walking in the morning and in the evening. You saw in the park and you will play the game in park. Eighth, railway station. People travel from one place to another. Also, goods are carried from one to another place. Yes, one place to another place. So railway station, people also travel from one place to another, and also the goods. Yes, which is goods, goods. Yes, students, people travel from one place to another. After that, full stop. Also, goods are carried from one place to another. So here carried from one place to another. Ninth, street light. It provides the light during night. Yes, it will providing the light during night and avoids the accidents. 10th, toilets. Use toilet instead of peeing on the road. Flush the toilet before and after use so that it's safe. These all are the public facilities. That means it is meant for everyone. Yes, the facilities are given to each and every person. So whose responsibility to keep it clean? It's our responsibility to maintain good condition. So it's our duty, it's our responsibility to keep it clean. Yes, so observe these pictures carefully and write what would you do in this situation. Yes, in such a situation what you will do, you have to write. You studied in your earlier classes already. Just go through that video again so that you will understand the whole concept. So here first one is the toilet is dirty. Yes, you will live like that only? No. So what you will do? Yes, you will flush the toilet after use so that the other person should it use again. Then see in the second picture, in your reader only you see, you can see it clearly. There is a daytime, you can see a sun here. So is it good to turn on the light? Is it needed? No. During daytime you need a street light? No. Why you need? Because you are having a sunlight. So turn off the street light. You will turn off the street light. Third one, yes, the water is flowing. So what you will do? Yes, I'll close the tap. Yes, you will close the tap. The fourth one, the girl is throwing the dust, the waste here and there. What you will do instead of her? You will ask, yes, you will throw the waste in dustbin. The last picture, the boy is throwing a stone towards the library. So what you will ask? You will ask the boy not to throw the stone on library. Why? Because it is a public property. Yes, it is a public property and it's our responsibility to protect it. Yes, to protect it. So I hope you understood. Read well at your home. Thank you, students.